Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you all my fidget toys. So first up I have this pop-it ball, and I like the colors. It's like pink and blue. ASMR. I like this one. I like all of them. So then I have this liquid bubbler. It has like red and I think that's orange and yellow. So it's like, I like it because it's like kind of the mixed, but it's like a little plastic wall. So it splits it up. And then you also see it's like a little air bubble almost that like goes through it. And then I have this galaxy dimple. So very fun and satisfying. And I have a cube. It's very satisfying. It's like so many hinges and it like moves in different ways. And then I have a pop tube. It's loud. Oh. And then I have this bear, Orbeez bear, but like it came with the purple one, but it popped. So cute. And then I have these sushi ones. So like the black Orbeez one, I don't know, like probably salmon, I don't know, ginger, wasabi, I don't know. And then I have this salmon one. I think that's salmon or tuna. No, I think that's tuna. And then the white rice. I think it was like 40s, but I don't know. And then I have this orange one filled with Orbeez, or not Orbeez, foam balls. And I think that's cucumber or wasabi. I don't know, but the face came off so sad. And I have this puzzle ball. It's like you can mix it around and stuff, and then, or you can also like someone to mix it up for you, and then you try to solve it. And then I have this fidget thing. I don't know, but it's like 10 fidgets in one. But like, so these little buttons, the clicky ones, but these ones don't click. And then there's a joystick, spinny, and then this little flip thingy, buttons. That's all. Thank you. Bye.